Hey guys, I was doing a bit of spring cleaning. It's not even spring cleaning, it's like life cleaning. And I just realized like this Joaquin Phoenix character from one of my favorite movies, he hits people with this hammer, this Mangchi. And it's such a violent reminder to just have in front of my desk. So instead of just getting rid of the violent parts, which is in all of us, I just gave him a little blue mushroom. And then we can integrate the peaceful parts of us with the angry parts. And same thing, here's Mandalorian who usually comes with a laser pistol, but I just gave him a plate full of fried dumplings. And that's nice, he's offering a gift. And here's Pouches, a Rob Liefeld character with, he used to have this crazy gun and now he has dongos. And here's, of course, Mandalorian B.A. Baracus with a missile launcher. This is stuck, so I can't take it off, but I replaced it with these enoki mushrooms. And as I was giving away a lot of books that inspired me, a lot of artists, including Jamie Hewlett of Tank Girl, Gorillaz fame. That's what a lot of people know him for. A lot of great art in here, super inspiring. There's Noodle. There's the Gorillaz. And I got to meet Jamie because we were represented by, when I used to sell art, same gallery that represented me, Jamie, Banksy, Lazaridis. So I got to see a lot of these originals. Awesome guy, super nice guy. And this really helped me out a lot in my life, having this art around. And I got this book and it's really heavy, but I don't know if I need to, I'll give this to someone who, I was thinking about giving it to Veggie Burger. But here's the surprise. You see how thick this book is? And most of this stuff I've seen, the Tank Girl stuff, the Gorilla stuff. And then almost as a throwaway, at the very end, we get this page of just 20 trees. And this is probably my favorite part of the whole book, is just these trees. He had gone somewhere in Switzerland. See, there's pine trees. And there's just 20 beautiful drawings, illustrations of these trees. So, do you guys like trees? I love pine trees. I drink pine oil every day. But the thing is, because we had the same gallery representation, I don't know if most of us, I don't know if I could afford this. First of all, I don't know if he did more of these. To me, this is his masterwork. It's better than any of the Gorilla stuff. It's better than any of the Tank. You know what, I'm not going to say that. We shouldn't compare. He only made 20 of these. So even if I could afford it or you could afford it, I don't know if they're available. And so my favorite thing to do when I see a piece of artwork from not just someone I know, but anybody, and I don't have the money for it or it's not available, is I just steal it. And that's not such a happy word either, right? So let me show you today how you make a Jamie Hewlett tree. Normally I would just say I did it and claim it as my own, but we're not doing that today. So it's gonna be super simple. First, you just draw a frame. And then you could go outside and try to find an actual tree, but I like imaginary trees. So let's just do this one. Let's go bing, zoom, zing. Is it curvy? Yeah, let's make it curvy. Okay, how complicated is this tree gonna be? Like that? And maybe one like that. Maybe one little branch like that. And for this, all you're gonna need is two tools. One brush and one pen. That's it. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay. Let's take some ink. And first, let's just knock in a shape really quick. Let's just go like that, that, like that. You guys like this? Me giving art classes for art that's not even mine. Teaching you how to draw like other artists. Okay. Now, who can't draw shapes? Let's just draw some branches. You just go like this. This is a Y shape. See that? Y, Y, Y. Okay. Now, what are we gonna do? Who can't just drop their pen? Who can't just drop their pen like this? Oh my God, it's already starting to look like a tree. Let's not go against the grain. Let's just go down like this. Oh my God, it's almost done. That looks pretty good already. And then now what you're gonna do, are you gonna teach cross hatching right now? Oh, you just get really loose. Barky bark. We're gonna do some barky bark. And you just do some lines, because just go with the flow, you know? You just outline these shapes you just made, these little natural accidents, and you just go with it. You don't put that much thought into it. You just try, you know, I'm gonna draw like this. Kids grip, Kung Fu grip. I'm sure Jamie spent more time on his, but I'm doing this one for the gram, so, or whatever this is, TikTok or Discord. Let's see. That looks nothing like the one he did. Well, look, that's the basic thing, and then you just go in here. You make this shape like this, and then you go up, and you go like that. Let me just keep going like that till it's done, okay? That's pretty good, don't you think? All right, I'm all treed out. It's pretty good. All right, thanks, guys.